Cloud Bigtable is Google's NoSQL big data database service. It's the same database that powers many core Google services, including Search, Analytics, Maps, and Gmail. Bigtable is designed to handle massive workloads at consistent low latency and high throughput, so it's a great choice for both operational and analytical applications, including IoT, user analytics, and financial data analysis. In this lab, you'll learn how to use the CBT command line to create and connect to a Cloud Bigtable instance, perform basic administrative tasks, and read and write data in a table. We've added some links below so you can learn more about Cloud Bigtable and see how it can help you handle massive workloads quickly and seamlessly. This self-paced lab is part of the baseline data, ML, and AI quest on Qwiklabs. A quest is a series of related labs that form a learning path. Completing this quest earns you this badge to recognize your achievement. Next up, Cloud Natural Language API, Quick Start. You'll be using a student GCP account to work on these labs, but if you're ready to get your own GCP account, here's $300 to get you started.